Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will explain to you what does messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted means in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. You may have seen this type of message in your WhatsApp chat conversation. Messages and calls are end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of this chat, not even WhatsApp, can read or listen to them. But do you know what does it means? I will explain to you what exactly it means in WhatsApp. End-to-end encryption in WhatsApp is a security feature that protects your messages and calls. That means, your chats and calls are private. End-to-end encryption keeps your personal messages and calls between you and the person you choose. Not even WhatsApp itself can read or listen to your messages and calls. You may think about what is included inside this. This includes your text and voice messages, audio and video calls, photos, video and documents, location sharing, and status updates. Have you ever wondered how secure your WhatsApp messages and calls are? Well, let me tell you. End-to-end encryption ensures that the communication between you and the person you are messaging or calling is secure and private. This means that your messages and calls are only visible to you and the recipient, and no one else, not even WhatsApp, has access to them. When you send a message or make a call on WhatsApp, your data is encrypted on your device before it's sent. So the next time you send a message or make a call on WhatsApp, you can have peace of mind knowing that your communication is secure and cannot be intercepted by anyone else. You can tap to learn more about how end-to-end encryption works and why it's important for your privacy and security. And that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorial videos.